Your Sansui Smart TV with webOS remote or its button suddenly stopped working, aren't responding, or responding very slowly. Don't worry, let's go through the most effective fixes to repair your remote and get it working again. First, you have to make sure nothing is blocking the front of your TV. The Sansui TV remote uses an infrared or IR signal, so it needs a clear path to the TV sensor. So if you see there anything in the way, you just have to move it and try the remote again. So now if the remote is working but feels slow or unresponsive, you can adjust the pointer speed. Just press the settings button, press OK and go to all settings. Now open general, then system and select additional settings. So now you have to go to the pointer option and set tracking speed to first. If it's set to slow or normal, the pointer may feel sluggish when navigating. Next, let's check whether the remote is sending a signal. Now open the camera app on your smartphone and point the front of the remote towards the camera. Then press any button a few times. If you see a blinking light on your phone screen, the remote is sending an IR signal correctly. But if you don't see any light, the remote may have a problem. In that case, just replace the old batteries with a fresh new pair and test the remote again. If the remote still doesn't work, make sure the TV itself is working properly. Use the physical power button on the TV to turn it on, and a quick press will power the TV on, and pressing and holding the button will bring up additional options that let you navigate basic functions without the remote. And there have another way. If you still can't use the remote, you can control the TV with your phone instead. A mobile remote app lets you navigate menus, open apps, switch inputs, and even use voice commands and control the TV just like the original remote. And if you want to set up your phone as a TV remote, you can check out our dedicated setup video linked in the description. And that's it. I hope any of this process fixed your issue. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.